In this video, I will tell you about a secret method to copy trade meme coins without getting wrecked, plus I will also show you how to quickly find out if a coin is a scam using a free Telegram bot, so keep watching to the end. Copy trading can be risky. If you pick the wrong wallet you can lose all your money fast, unless you use my meme coin copy trading strategy. Let me be honest. If you are trading meme coins on your own, it's very difficult to succeed, unless you have access to inside information. Now, most of us don't have access to insider information, so we need to go hunting for these profitable wallets, study what they do to make money, and copy their trades. Now, it may sound sneaky to copy someone else's winners and surf along on their successes, but believe me, it's the only way to make it in this highly manipulated meme coin market where everyone is trying to rip you of your hard-earned money. Luckily, we have some useful tools for our wallet research. One of them is a website called GMGN, where you can track individual wallets and find out how much trades and profits a wallet makes. I recently found a wallet here that makes thousands of dollars trading Solana meme coins every day, and I have been copy trading this wallet for a while with success. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and I can't guarantee you that this strategy will still work if you watch this video. This wallet can use a completely different trading strategy by the time you watch this. I use this wallet as an example to show you how I do it. My method is completely different than most people who use copy trading. I have added the wallet address in my Ray Blue wallet tracker and in my TradeWiz copy trading bot, but I did not activate the copy trading function in TradingWiz. I just don't want to let my bot blindly copy all the master wallet trades because you never know what will happen. Some of these money-making wallets know that they are being tracked, and they can easily manipulate the market price of the tokens they trade and dump on you. What I do instead when a trade is triggered and I get a notification in my wallet tracker, I click the Bull X link which takes me right to the token chart where I can overview the price action. I also copy the token address and have it ready in my TradeWiz bot, just in case I want to buy in. When I see that the token is growing organically, there's enough liquidity and the price is holding steady after a few minutes, I get in with a little Solana, and when the price goes up by 20, 30 or more %, I sell the tokens manually in TradeWiz. I'm not chasing for huge profits. If you expect to make a 50 or 100x with every copy trade, you risk that the insiders drop all their tokens at once, using you as exit liquidity, leaving you with a bag of worthless coins. As an additional security measure, I have a -20% stop loss set up in my TradeWiz bot so I don't lose all my money when a trade goes wrong. This is just in case I can't manually sell my coins or when I'm distracted doing something else. You can easily do this by going to Auto Sell in TradeWiz, and changing the numbers here. Put in -20 in the stop loss field and 100% in the amount, so when your order goes down by 20%, your bot will sell all your tokens. I also have a take profit limit order set to sell 25% of my tokens when I make a 50x, and 75% when I make a 100x as an additional security. You just can't win all your trades, so it's better to lose a little, instead of losing everything. This is my copy trading strategy and it works well. If you just let your bot do all the copy trading, without a stop loss or take profit limit order, and the master wallet messes up, you can lose all your money. I won't share the wallet address that I use here, because I don't want everyone on YouTube to copy the wallet, but I have shared the address with my community in my Telegram and Discord group. The links are in the description below if you are interested in the wallet. You can also find profitable insider wallets on DexScreener or Defined. Let's use the Peanut chart on Defined as an example. The price of Peanut exploded on 11 November when Peanut got listed on Binance, and the day before, about right here, we can see some big buy-ins. Now, is this coincidence? It's possible, but I don't think so. I believe these are wallets from insiders who knew about the Binance listing. To find out more about a specific wallet, click on it and the wallet will open in Solscan, where you can do further investigation. If you want to know how to find insider wallets, go watch my video on my channel. Okay, we are almost done, but here's one more tip, as promised. To find out if a coin is a scam, copy the contract address in your trading bot and paste it in the Solana Hacker Bot. This Solana meme coin scanner checks the token contract address for all the important metrics such as age, liquidity, volume, market cap, holders, mint, freeze, and also shows the image. There's also a community engagement feature, which allows users to tap a particular token in Telegram groups. If you tap on the most tapped tokens, you see a list with the most popular meme coins of the moment, and if you click the links, you see all the token details. The bot is free, and you can find the link in the description below. That's all for now. If you have anything to add, or have a specific question, please drop them in the comments below. Now, you need to understand one thing. Meme coins are high risk, high rewards, but that doesn't mean that you can't make money trading meme coins. Meme coins are not forever. Bitcoin is forever, but meme coins are made for short-term profits. Meme coins are hot at this moment because we are in a bull run. Bitcoin is going to $100,000, and other coins will follow, and now it's easy to print money. The money flows in, and people put their Bitcoin profits in meme coins, just like they did with NFTs a few years ago. Remember the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs that sold for millions of dollars? It was a hype, but hype is an opportunity if there's an influx of money, and now the hype is meme coins. If you're looking for a fast crypto exchange to trade meme coins, you can use BullX, Photon or AutoSnipe. I have video tutorials for all these exchanges on my channel, and if you use my referral links in the description below, you get a 10% discount on all your trading fees. Don't forget to download a copy of my meme coin trading mastery book. It's free and you'll find tons of smart trading tips and tools inside, specifically aimed at meme coin trading. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel to get all my latest crypto videos first. Have a profitable day and stay safe.